This video is to help you with the Building Molecules worksheet. It says you will use the atoms and bonds in the kit to create molecules. Follow the key to make sure that you are using the correct color for each atom. Remember that some bonds will be single or double or triple. After you build the molecule, draw the molecule using the appropriate colors. So before you begin, you need to make sure that you have red, blue, black, and then if you have a gray or you just want to use pencil, it's up to you. But you need at least red, blue, and black. And then you should find a kit on your table or where your teacher keeps your lab supplies. And they have a little key inside that shows you that red represents oxygen, black is carbon, blue is nitrogen, white is hydrogen. Then there are short bonds for single bonds, and there are long bonds for double and triple bonds. If you look at the atoms, you might also notice that on the oxygen, we know that oxygen can make 2 bonds, so there are 2 holes. We know that carbon can make 4 bonds, so there should be 4 holes on the carbon. Nitrogen makes 3 bonds, so there are 3 holes. And hydrogen makes only 1 bond, so there's only 1 hole. Okay, so the first one is done for you. You can still try to build it to see what it would look like. So let me clear these things off. So nitrogen, this is an N2, so that means I'm going to need 2 N's. And I know that nitrogen forms a triple bond, so I need to have 3 different bonds. Okay, and because it's a triple bond, I'm going to combine the long bonds. And I'm going to match them up with the holes. Now the triple bonds, I have to kind of bend them to get them to connect. And that is what the nitrogen gas molecule looks like. For O2, I know I'm going to need 2 O's, and I know that these are double bonded with each other. There are 2 holes, so I'm going to use 2 of the longer bonds. When I'm done, all of the holes should be filled up with the bonds. Okay, so that is what my oxygen should look like. So I'm going to write O with the double bonds, and then I'm going to draw my oxygen and color it in. Okay. Continue doing that. You can take these apart to build the next ones. Continue doing that until you finish the worksheet.